Okay, so welcome, ladies and gentlemen, to the Passive Daily Income presentation. My name's Simon Stepsis from the UK. I've been a business owner now for over 30 years, and 22 years I've been showing people how to make money on the internet. I'm going to spend literally 15 minutes of your time just literally sharing an opportunity that I discovered literally at the end of 2019 that really has blown all other opportunities out of the water. I'm going to be showing you how you can get started for free at no cost. And I'm going to be showing you how you can make a daily passive income. It really is very simple. Okay, so I will go on the screen share and I will go through some slides. I'm going to share with you exactly how you can do this. It is phenomenal. It gets my top recommendation. And with that, I thank you for your time. All I ask is have an open mind. Remember, the mind is like a parachute. It works correctly when it's open. If it's not open, then all the best to you, I say. Outside of that, guys, just before I go into the slides, a quick introduction about myself. Again, I live in the UK. I've been showing people how to make money on the internet for 22 years. I was online in 1995. By 1997, I was earning a full-time income. A long time ago, that was literally dial-up internet. There was no YouTube or social media in them days. In fact, when you sent an email out, a commercial email out in them days, everybody thought it was a scam. Now look at today, we've got billionaires being made on the internet. Okay, so literally, what I'm going to be sharing with you is new currency, talk about cryptocurrency. I got started in crypto just 3 years ago in 2017. The Bitcoin price at that time was $1,250. 3 years is a short period of time, ladies and gentlemen. Now the price now has gone over $13,500. Many predicted it's going to hit six figures within the next 12 months, and certainly $500,000 and $1 million certainly within the next 5 to 10 years. That's per Bitcoin. So most people have heard of it, but most people don't know what it is, how it works. So I'm going to go through that a little bit. The bottom line is you don't really need to know anything really. Just follow the advisor, the person who introduced you to this Zoom, and they can help you get started. It really is easy. It's as simple as this. You've got a mobile phone, okay? You can make money, and you can make money daily, and you can make money passively, okay? So again, outside of that, guys, also I'm a successful author, 3 books in publication, the 90-day challenge here. This basically shows the last company I was with. We did a business that did over $300 million, and we built a team of over 300,000 members with that. And the Bitcoin formula, which shows you how to get started in Bitcoin and make your first $1 million. Okay, so with that, I'm going to go on the screen slides. And again, we'll literally go 10, 15 minutes just going through the slides, explaining how that works. So just bear with me 1 second. So I'll put the full screen on. Okay, so just go on the view to the full view. Okay, there we have it. Okay, so Mind.Capital is the company that is going to be basically, literally, I'm going to be talking about, and I'm going to be showing you how you can make a passive daily income with this company. It is a cryptocurrency company, and it is the most transparent company that I've ever come across. We're going to show you exactly how the money is made here. Again, there's, it really is low risk as money making goes. And I'm going to explain that with you, and the reason being, okay? So let's look at the cryptocurrency industry, the market, okay? So if we look today, the market cap, okay, is just past actually $400 billion. And at the start of this year, 2020, there was approximately 2,500 cryptocurrencies. So Bitcoin is the number one. Everybody's heard of it, but most people still don't have it. Today, there's over 7,500 cryptocurrencies. Okay, but ultimately, I'm going to be talking about literally, obviously, what Mind.Capital is and how that can make you money. But look at the market growth of this industry. Bitcoin literally just over 10 years old now, and again, if we look at the price, how it's accelerated from literally from cents per Bitcoin to over $13,500. This is a rising trend, and that is because of limited supply and more demand, okay? But if we look at the crypto market, okay, the crypto market is going to be estimated to be worth 3.6 trillion over the next 10 years, okay? I believe it's going to be a lot more than that. These are very conservative figures, I can assure you. So again, if you want to get into a money-making opportunity, then you want to be at the forefront. You want to get at the forefront the new trends rather than the end of the trends, okay? And again, it's like getting into CDs, DVDs or something like that, okay? Good luck to you, all the best. The new technology is all streaming these days. But anyway, here's Gonzalo Garcia Paleo. I have met Gonzalo twice, actually. So literally, he's the CEO of Mind Capital, 72 years young, incredibly successful entrepreneur, very famous celebrity in Spain. He's most well known for winning over 250 million pesetos at the casinos. He was so successful, they've actually made a film about him called The Players, and you can watch that film on YouTube. If you go to the main website, you can click and watch that. And again, he's been interviewed by all the top European magazines. Not only that, though, he's actually produced over 160 music albums. And not only that, also directed over 10 films, one considered to be in the top 10 of all-time best films in Spain and the top 1,000 worldwide. And again, in 2017, he started to look into the cryptocurrency market and how you can profit from that. And then he created the company Mind.Capital, which is an arbitrage company, so very low risk. And again, they launched, the official launch was January the 11th, 2020. But they had a pre-launch phase of 3 months just prior to that. I first heard about Mind Capital, and a good friend of mine, Jet FIFA, out of Australia, sent me a message and sent me the website and said, look, Simon, I've connected with a corporate, I've checked this out. This absolutely looks solid, a real arbitrage company, very low risk and a passive daily return. And it really ticked all the boxes, okay? Transparent company, but I needed to be sure. So this is back in December, just before New Year's Eve, in fact. 2019, I decided to meet the corporate. I flew out to Madrid in Spain. I met the CEO. I did an interview with him, and I was blown away everything I seen. I also met other members of the corporate team, and again, I decided to drop everything and work this as a business full time. And they had a launch event on the 11th of January. So again, I flew back to Spain in Madrid for that event. There was approximately 400 people at that event, mainly from Spain and South America. And again, it confirmed to me that this is something that's solid, sustainable, and it's again, it's 100% transparent, and that's what we have here. Okay, so if we have a look at some of the Mind Capital advantages of this opportunity, okay, they've got their own technology. Okay, it's an automated bot that searches the cryptocurrency exchanges, and it's looking for price differences, and once it sees a profit in there, it'll close that profit out, and then the company get 35% of that profit, and we members, we get 65%. Okay, so again, it's very transparent. I know we're in the COVID-19 situation, so flying around and meeting the company now is a little bit difficult. However, again, we did meet him prior to the situation to confirm everything is fine, and we're at that launch event as well. So they've literally they are transparent. They do Zoom calls on a regular basis. I'm connected also. The leadership is connected directly to the corporate, and again, any kind of questions, any problems, any issues, we can get sorted straight away. It's a great business. It's great for those who just want a passive income and they don't want to, get into the business side of it. That's fine. But it's also great for those who are looking for a business, something to promote, an opportunity that may even make a career out of it. It is absolutely fantastic. And just so you're aware here, on this slide here, this flag here is the flag of Estonia. Okay, so the company is located in Estonia, and this is known as the biggest and the most digital country in the world. Digital, obviously, cryptocurrencies. So they're based in Estonia, which basically solidifies and makes the company more secure. Okay, so they a few months ago they launched their Mind Capital coin. This is an internal coin. You cannot buy this coin out on the exchanges. okay, and they launched it as a stable coin, an internal stable coin. So one Mind Capital coin equals $1. What it really does, it consolidates the opportunity, and it guarantees the Mind Capital project. So again, they didn't have this when they launched. They launched this and brought this out because in the cryptocurrency on the exchanges, they do have stable coins, and the governments were looking at restricted them and putting regulations on them, and that basically, liquidity and things like that. So they, again, having their own internal coin absolutely protects against anything like that. So absolutely fantastic. So it's MC Arbitrage. So again, Arbitrage, what it is, okay, it's basically they have a bot that literally you don't need to know anything. They do it all for you. They have a bot that searches the different exchanges. Literally, there's thousands of exchanges out there, and it's searching these exchanges, and it's buying cryptocurrency and fiat on one, converting it and selling it on another at a profit, and we get a part of that profit. Absolutely fantastic. Okay, literally, you don't have to do anything. They do it all for you. And we get a 65% of that shot of that profit, and the company get 35%. So again, there's most people, if you have a look at arbitraging and what it means, it's a very well proven method to make money. The problem is most people wouldn't know how to do it, how to operate it, how to find the different things, and you've got to be fast. And this is the good thing about bots, is they execute these profits as soon as they find in milliseconds. So again, everything's done for you. You don't need to do anything. Beautiful. Okay, so again, it's all about profit, okay, and every single day that we've been in with this company, and that is since day one, since January 11th, okay, the company, the bot, has made a profit. Now, what are the profits? They vary anything from 0.5% to 1.5% paid daily. Now, this is week daily, okay, because it does trade in the fiat markets. Fiat markets don't trade at weekends. However, they do have an exchange, so we do make money 7 days per week, because literally only in the last 4 to 6 weeks they launched their own exchange. One of the only companies that I'm aware of in the direct sales opportunity that offer their own exchange, and allows us to make a commission from literally fees. Okay, and if you look at some companies like Binance and Kraken, these companies make literally billions of dollars from fees, just like banks and PayPal and things like that. Okay. Now, as members, we can also profit from that also. It's absolutely fantastic. Okay, so again, again, just looking at the opportunities on the exchanges, okay, it does it all automatically, just so you're aware. Okay, so Monday's profits are paid on Tuesday, and Fridays are paid on Saturday. You can withdraw your profits or your commissions daily, 7 days per week. It's all live on the blockchain. The company do live Zooms, and they record these presentations. They show the trades, the hash IDs, everything. It's absolutely fantastic. No other company that I've seen out there offers the transparency that Mind Capital does. So ultimately, just an example here, you've got a bot, okay, it's out there in cyberspace, okay, you don't need to program it or anything like that. The company do everything for you. It's looking for the different exchanges, it's looking for the different profits, it's buying on one exchange, it's selling in another. And then on this slide here, you can see an example. Okay, yeah, it's buying one Bitcoin at 10,000 USD. Okay, exchange 2. Okay, sell one Bitcoin at this is the GPD. Okay, but on this example, you'll see there's a $200 profit made, and we get 65% of that, and the company, they do very well, they get 35% as well. So it's a win-win situation for everyone. It's passive income for everybody. Everybody loves to have passive income, and again, you're using money, okay, obviously in crypto money, to make even more crypto money. That is the beautiful thing here. So you can see the split there. 35% goes to the company that manages the expenses, the compensation plan, the maintenance, 65% to the members. Happy days, win-win for everybody. Now, also the company have an automatically compound interest power on your, within everybody's site. And Einstein said this: the most powerful way to make money ever is by compounding your profits. So basically your account, again, it's set to compound automatically. So the bot makes a profit one day, okay, it'll add it to the capital, okay, and then obviously it's trading more capital, and it keeps doing this every day, compounding your profits, and the returns really accelerate like crazy. So again, that is automatically set that way. You can take that off if you want, and you can take your profits out daily, up to you. Most people will tend to compound it up to the maximum that the company do allow, just so you're aware of that, okay? So the company, they allow, of course, you can withdraw your commissions out daily, like I've said before. The minimum withdrawal is $50, just so you're aware of that. Your capital, now remember, we talked about there is no cost, of course not, okay, but you do need some capital for the bot to trade, for arbitraging. So again, the minimum is $40. The maximum is $100,000, okay?
Your girl's a 5, but your mom is a dime piece. And your auntie, her name is Miss Connie. I got one Glock, his name Clyde, the other one named Bonnie. These bitches, they think they dandy, but they be just
sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen.
I swear that hoe be trying. When I fuck her from the front,
sorry about that, ladies and gentlemen. We occasionally have a gate crasher in there, so apologise regarding that. Just 1 second. Okay, so basically, let me get back to the screen share, guys. Okay, I do apologise about that. Okay. Okay, so just 1 second, ladies and gentlemen, we get back to the screen share. Okay, there we go, share. Okay. Okay, yeah, basically, as you can see here also, just quickly, this is me with the CEO in Madrid in Spain, so you can see that. Obviously, I flew over twice to meet the CEO, and you can see the launch here. This is just a blog post I did here, and some posts with the members there. I'll just scroll down here so you can see these. Okay, so this is Kelly Lopez from the corporate team. This is Oscar. This is Gonzalo's son. He's the vice president of Mind Capital. And there's Gonzalo on stage explaining the business. We also, you can see here, about approximately 400 leaders in the presentation. And again, Ruben Arkins there from the corporate explaining the business, how the trading works. And you can see here, basically here. But the company do all record all this, so you can see that, which is brilliant. So happy days to everybody. Okay, so just bear with me. I'll go back into the slides. Okay, so again, you can withdraw your commissions daily. And again, you can obviously compound your profits. But again, just looking to the Zooms. Okay, so the company do these technical Zoom calls, and you can see here, this is the back office. You've got the balance, the crypto fiat, the movements. You can click on these, and you'll see how that works. So again, $40. Okay, that's the minimum. Okay, that the company that you need to get started ultimately, but you still own that $40, just so you're aware of that. Okay, the maximum is 100,000, and basically what the company are going to do, they're going to use that in the arbitrage to make even more for you. Okay, so again, most people can come up with $40, and again, it's $40 in Minecoin, so in Mind Capital coin. So one Mind Capital coin equals $1 American dollar. Okay. So how do you participate? Very simple. You have to basically get back to the person who shared this presentation with you, because you cannot directly sign up to the company. You have to go through one of the affiliates, which is brilliant. Obviously make a contribution to your account. Okay, so the minimum is $40. The maximum is 100,000. And that's it. From there on, you start to earn profits. Now, you need to give the bot a full 24 hours to do the trading for you, and then you'll start to see them profits. And again, you can withdraw daily if you wish, 7 days per week, or you can compound it like most people do. You have an opportunity to share the business with others. If you do that, then obviously you're going to get a kickback, and I can share that with you, how that works. And again, okay, start earning daily profits from your profits of your referrals also. Absolutely phenomenal when you think about that. Okay. So basically, again, the Mind Capital Exchange is something that the company recently launched. And again, the only company that I know in direct sales that offers that. And again, you can use Mind Capital coins to buy other cryptocurrencies. It's your own wallet. You can deposit Bitcoin directly into the exchange wallet. You can buy, sell Bitcoin, Ethereum, USDT, and Mind Capital coins. And then the company also have technical analysts video presentations. So again, you can analyze the main cryptos, and they've already done one of them presentations. It's on the company YouTube channel. And again, that's fantastic that the company do that as well. Okay, so basically this is an example of a screenshot of the exchange there, and you can see there the start, the transactions, the market, the exchanges. Now, again, you don't know to know anything about trading or arbitraging. The company do it all for you, but those who do want to learn, then basically they have the option also. Okay, so the referral plan. Quickly go through this with you. It's a very simple referral business, this. You've got the advantage of networking and passive income and residual commissions. And again, you earn this daily. You'll earn volume created off your own referrals, but also team volume off a 10-level plan. And literally, this is the business plan. This is it on this slide here. Okay, so I'll go through this. It's very, very easy. It's called a uni level, the easiest business to work. You're a consultant. Okay, let's say that you started with $40. Okay, the company will pay you down 2 levels in the referral program. So if you introduce somebody who, let's say, to keep it nice and simple, they can make a contribution of $100,000. Okay, now basically, because this is on your first level, let's say that the bot produces a 1% profit. That's $1,000. This is on your first level, remember. Okay, sorry about that. So this means that you've made $80. Okay, just from one level. Now that's absolutely incredible because this is just one day. Now imagine the bot. If the bot produces that daily, you're getting that daily. Now if that person introduced somebody else, okay, on the second level, you'll earn 4%. So again, using the same numbers, you'll earn $40. So already you've only introduced one person who's introduced one, just 2 people in the business. Okay, you're earning $120 daily residual income plus your own arbitrage profits as well. Okay, but obviously it gets a lot better than that because if you're an advisor, again, this is your front level, your level 1, all combined purchases of 5,000 or team of 10,000 in contributions. Company will pay you down 4 levels of the compensation plan. And then they have the senior advisor, which again, combined front level of 15,000 or a 40,000 of team volume, the company are paying you down 6 levels of the compensation plan. Leader advisor is 50,000 or 160,000, you're paying down 8 levels. And then also we've got the global advisor, 100,000 or 600,000 in the team volume. So you're getting paid down the full 10 levels here. Okay, and you won't know these people on these lower levels, but you'll be earning, okay, a commission. If that bot is producing profits, then your team members are making profits and you're getting a kickback. You'll be making profits as well. And this really does become a massive income. We've got members that are literally making life-changing incomes. And remember, you know, we haven't even been in this business 1 year yet. Okay, 1 year anniversary, okay, is the 11th of January 2021. And again, it's absolutely phenomenal how this business has worked. Now, this slide is out of date. The company have actually increased the earnings of the exchange now to 65%. So they used to pay 30% commissions down the same compensation plan for all the exchange fees. They've increased that literally, and they start today, in fact. So again, just ignore this 30%, 65% of the exchange fees now are paid through that compensation plan, which just showed you here, okay? And the exchange fees in time will be the biggest commission. If you look at Kraken and Binance, these companies are making literally billions of dollars, billions, and it's all from fees. And the beautiful thing is now with Mind Capital, we can also get a piece of the pie. Absolutely fantastic. The company also have leadership level. This is the top leadership level called Club Ambassador. There's 17 ambassadors. I'm also an ambassador. You do need to do 4 million in team volume, okay, in the 10 levels, and you do. The company do ask you to sign a document not to promote any other business in networking, and just only work Mind Capital. And for doing so, the company then give you a company-wide profit. Okay, this is the profits of the global profits, all the ambassadors, and as I'm recording this today, the 17 ambassadors who get obviously this ambassador bonus. And I can assure you the ambassador bonus is already a life-changing income, never mind, okay, the income that you're going to be earning from your own trading and the team volume. It is absolutely phenomenal. Okay, so that's the ambassador level. Okay, so if we have a look at some of the benefits, the lifestyle at a business that can make you a passive income, you know, it gives you opportunities. Again, the company, I know we're in the difficult situation with the COVID, yet we have been making profits hand over fist. We're growing our incomes like crazy, and yet most of the world is worried. You know, a lot of people are, you know, they are worried about the future and losing their jobs and financial security. The company here, we're blessed because, again, you know, this doesn't affect us because it's cryptocurrency, it's a booming market, and it's just going to get bigger and bigger because more people are looking for different ways to earn. And if they can earn passively and they can get into crypto, they don't really need to know anything, then happy days. Okay, so this is where to follow Mind Capital. So remember, the company is mind.capital. Get back to the person who shared the presentation with you. Okay, you can check out the Facebook page there. They've also got an Instagram page. And again, this is the Telegram bot links. Okay, so they have the Spanish version and the English version. They post in there every day, all the very latest updates. And they have a fabulous YouTube channel as well. So again, the YouTube channel is absolutely brilliant. It's in multiple different languages, all the different videos about how everything works. They explain everything in very, very simple terms. And then they have a tool called the Play in here in Spanish and also English version. And this is something where a prospect will interact with it, get the questions answered. They can see the presentation, get links to the YouTube channels or the company presentations. Absolutely fantastic. The company provide you that for free of charge, okay? And that will help you. So again, ladies and gentlemen, I want to thank you for being at this presentation today. Again, mind.capital, passion for crypto world, a passive income daily. All you need to do, ladies and gentlemen, just get back to the person who shared the presentation with you, get your questions answered, make a contribution to your account, and start making a passive daily income. So with that, I want to thank you for being here today, and I want you to have a great day wherever you are in the world. God bless you all, and follow your dreams. Thanks for watching.